Kakain tayo ng cake.
Tapos, ito nang tira sa cake.
Ng
Mango. Bravo. Not sponsored from Contis. Tapos na kami kumain na yung damit mo. Nalagyan.
Ay,
Slice again.
kunwari.
Anong kunwari? Talagang mag-slice yun.
Kakain ka? Sure.
Hindi. Tapos na akong kumain, oh. Ito na, oh. Oh. Bawal kainin ang icing kasi because the gravity of the sugar in our health is not good. Really? Oh,
Why did you eat it, sir?
Because
Late already.
because you allow me, you invite me to, then you give me a slice of mango bravo. Oh, see?
And very
Oh.
sweet.
Very sweet. Is it sweet? So sweet?
Yeah.
Oh, ito na yung contest. So mahal. 1,000 plus the amount. How about yung harap? That is mango bravo. Yay!
Parang siya mango float.
Oh. Yeah, ang lasa, no? There is nuts, there is mango, and a lot of food.
Parang mango float na may like coffee, something. Chocolate.
Don't eat sugar. Just leave it.